Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to fix Temu lagging on your Android device by turning off a few settings that are secretly slowing it down. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your phone's setting, then scroll down to Apps. Find the Temu app and then tap on Storage. Now hit Clear Cache. Remember to never clear the data as it logs you out. Just the cache. This removes junk that slows down the app over time. Next, if your phone is on battery saver mode, that can seriously limit Temu's performance. Go to battery settings and then turn off battery saver while using the app. It restricts background activity, so Temu struggles to load properly. Now check background activity settings. Go back to app info of Temu. Go to app battery usage and make sure allow background usage is turned on. If it's off, Temu has to reload everything every time you open it, which makes it feel super slow. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.